Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is about ISE project, and our team is composed of 4 people, me included, Amin, Fazli, Ayman, and finally Yang Hao. As we will see, inshallah, our project is about tuition management system. The name of our project is Grade. This system was completely designed to live online. The system basically allow users to search for courses or tutors and allow people or anyone to create courses and become a tutor. The stakeholders are our client who had this magnificent idea, and we as a team are developing the system for them. For the process model, we have chosen the prototype model, which is an iterative process where we build a prototype and then we keep iterating over it and over again until the system starts becoming a real uh, working system. So it starts as a prototype and then we keep building over it and iterating until we are happy with the final result.
Our system is tuition management system, and let's try to depict the use case. So basically we have 3 actors, the first one being the user, the second one is the tutor, and lastly the web admin. The user can log in or sign up to the system if they don't have an account. The user can also search for a course or search for tutors. Basically they can search courses by tutors if they know exactly which tutor they are looking for. The user also can directly rate a course, since not all courses are online. Some of them are homeschooling, one-on-one, workshops, classes, etc. The user can also enroll in a course online, and the user can pay for a course if the tutor allows for online payment. The tutor can sign up or log in, and they can create courses for the users to consume. Finally, those courses that are created by the tutors are actually approved by the web admin. So the web admin will check every application of a course and will reject or approve those courses. Usually most users will be landing in our home page. So in the home page we display basic information about the system, where we describe it as a technology learning platform where you have the world's leading experts at your fingertips and learn whatever you want whenever you want, since it's a free learning platform where you can learn basically anything and anywhere basically. The user can sign up or log in, and as we can see, if a user doesn't have an account yet, they can only browse or go to the about page or contact. The browse page is basically the page where they can see all the courses that the platform provides. So let's start by log in. Here the user can sign up or log in, so we can switch between the 2 tabs, and as we can see, the form has some check-in. So if we try to sign up, there will be like some input check-in. If I try to put just only like a very short name, it says it should be between 3 and 12. If I try to put a very long one, still I cannot. But if I put something which is a normal name, then it will be accepted. For the email, same thing. It says please input correct email, so we need to add like the normal form of an email. For the password, it needs to be the same. If I try to put something which doesn't match with the first one, the input will display an error. I forgot the password. Okay, 12345. So 12345. Then the form is submitted. For the login site is exactly the same thing, where we cannot until we enter a correct email. And the correct password. Once logged in into the system, the user can either enroll in a course, and thus through browsing the database and enrolling into the course of their choices, or they can create a course, and thus through this page that was not available before the user had logged in. So once the user log in, they can actually create courses. Since our system doesn't limit anyone to create courses, it's open for everyone, and those courses will be reviewed by the web admin. Here we can see we have a warning message or an error message that says that apparently you have no course, and start adding your course today. And basically the user can start adding his first course. Once in the add course page, we can see we have a form, and as always we can the form has some rules and tests to check. So if I try to do next, the title is required, the topic and the difficulty and the description are all required. So basically the user can create topic or add as many topics as they want. They can choose a difficulty, and they need to add title and description. And for this part is they can actually upload anything that is relevant to the course, such as certificate, CV, IC, anything that will help the web admin to take a favorable decision toward the course. I will go ahead and fill the form. So now, as we can see, we have filled the form. So I can go ahead and click next. So this will take me to the course type, and the course info was checked. So in the course type, we can choose basically the course type, whether it's a remote schooling or online course or live, such as Skype to Skype, or a workshop or class. So this case is a workshop. The accommodation, let's say 20. Then we go to time and place. Here the user can either choose a specific date, or they can choose a range. So in the date they can choose today, tomorrow, next week. Here they can choose the time and the date, or they can select a range. So basically, let's do it like next 3 months. We choose the next 3 months. It will be duration cell, and yeah. At this stage, the user can enter the price for his course, let's say 600, and then he can choose whether it's the total price, or per month, per week, per session, or per hour. So let's choose total price. Of course, the user can level by refine his information about the course. So finally, the user can submit the form, and we see that a message saying congratulations, your course has been created and will be reviewed for approval. And we notice that the course has appeared. So I click OK, small message course created, and we can see that now the course has been created. So this is the course, and those are some informations about the course. The rating is 0 at this point, and it is pending for approval. Once the course has been created, the administrator can see the course and approve it. So here is the login part of the admin. So we log in, and then in our system we can see all the courses that have been submitted by the users, and the admin can approve or reject the course. In this case, we'll approve. Course has been approved. We can also see that the admin can search for a course that he was reviewing, or he can select many and reject. Badge rejected. Next, let's see how the user are able to browse the database of courses. So if you go to browse courses, now we see that the database has loaded 20 results, which means that we have basically 20 courses at the moment. Most of them are randomly generated, some of them are hard-coded for the sake of prototyping or not. So we can see that we display only 5 results, and if you want more, we click show more, and we have more results showing up since we have more than 5 results. So we need to keep scrolling down. Here we can see some filters, and each filter, for example, regarding the topics, we can see that the communication topic has 2 courses, the finance has 2, the hardware topic has 2, the language topic has 2, the business has 1, entrepreneurship has 1, etc. The type, same thing. We have 7 workshops, we have 6 homeschooling courses, 2 online and 5 live. We can also apply filters by price. The search is instant, so for example, the last course that this user created can be found either by searching on the title or searching by topic, which is programming, and we can see that we have 2 courses in programming. We can also search by price. So if we reset the filters, so the filters now are reset, we can search by price. So we have 13 results, and the course is here. So obviously we can see also by homeschooling, and here we see if we search, for example, language, we have this course, language. So basically the user can search by topic, by tutor name, by title, by description. They can search basically anything. And of course, if there is no result, we say a display message that there is no result. Finally, after the user has chosen the course that he wants to take, he can directly click and go to the page where he will see more information about the course and more information about the author. He can also rate the course, and he can enroll in the course. Here are some basic informations about the course, and the user can finally enroll in the course.